Hello friend, welcome to Creative Script Automation. In this video, I'm going to show how to use different locators in Selenium for creating automation script. There are so many locators, but I mentioned only few like 7 which commonly used, maximum use to creating automation script. Okay friend, today I will use some ID or XPath or name. By using this locator, I will try to log in my site. Okay, uh, let's begin. I already created one project, and in project I have package and package inside package. I created one class file. Okay, friend. I just remove this one. Let's remove this one. Okay, this is a simple code. What happened here? In this code, I have given the path of Gigo driver, and by this it will load the my browser, Firefox browser. Okay, so friend, in the you will get better idea how I will explain. I will going to explain manually first, and what manually step I am doing for to login, and that thing I will going to script in side by side here script for login. Okay, for login in my any site we need to open any browser. Okay, then this thing will open. Okay, this code will my load the any browser. If you want to load Chrome, anything Gigo drive, so I want to load uh, Mozilla, then I given the path of Mozilla. After that, what you need, that site URL. Okay, let's take let's see, this is my private browser I have opened, and this is my Chrome browser. See, to after the what, after loading the browser, what you need, any the site. Okay, the then see friend, I already have one site in my local machine, so I'm going to open that only. So in URL you pass the URL of site. Okay friend, same thing you will do here. You will loaded the browser. After loading, you will pass the site URL. Then I will type driver.get URL. I'll pass the my same. I will just copy this this URL and pass here. Okay friend. Now what to do? Next thing is that now what? Now I want to log in this site. What to do? You need email ID or username. Then for that you need a password. So what to do next? Then you have to just then you have, so I want to write here two codes to enter email ID and the password, and next third one is to click on this login button. Okay, to send. Okay, so how do we identify how the Selenium get identify how what where to write this email ID or anything password? So you have to just open the inspect element by pressing F12. Then you see here some arrow icon type box. Just click there and drag your cursor on here. See friend, here you selected some input box. Just click on that. After clicking this blue color line, you will get highlighter. This is the input text text ID, the attribute. Okay, here showing. See friend, I've shown you one, the locator is name ID. See, here is one ID is locator is equal to user underscore login. So I will copy this user underscore login. Okay friend, then go to Eclipse and I will try driver dot find element how. Okay, the by find element, the Selenium will find the element Okay, how you will find? Like ID. Okay, locator ID. You locate the ID. Where is the ID? ID equal to, I will pass the, see when ID equal to user login. The Selenium what will do? The Selenium after loading the driver, the Selenium will find the ID. ID equal to user. See if we get the ID equal to user, then what to do? If we get the ID equal to user underscore, then we have to enter in some pass some text. So then I will do dot, then I will press send key. By this send key, I will pass admin because my user name is admin. I will type here admin. Okay, same thing I will do for login. Just go here and click. See, I got the ID. User underscore pass is ID, but I already took the ID locator. So see, let's take a name locator. PWD is the locator. So name, then I will driver dot find by name. Selenium find the name locators and check the name equal to, if I have PWD, then what you do? He will send some key on input box, like my password is admin. Okay, now what to do? After passing admin, I pass the admin. Now what to do? I want to click on this button, so I will just inspect this just inspect this. Again I went to click on that inspect element and go to bring the mouse here, just click on that and I got the ID. Okay, I got the ID PW and submit, but this time I will going to take the X path. How to take the X path? See, if in this blue color you get highlighted, just click on right click of mouse and go to copy, then go to just click on copy XPath. Okay friend, and this functionality, XPath functionality, is given only on Chrome browser, not Firefox. For Firefox you have to install plugin. Here this default is coming, so it will be better idea. What to do? How to take XPath? Just go here, bring your mouse on login button, just click on that, come back to the highlighted one line, just right click on that, then go to copy. After copy, go to just click on copy XPath. Okay friend, just go again to Eclipse, just type the driver dot find element, and first one must it will find the ID, then name, then I want to find by X path. Just type X, then the path come, then just paste your X path. Here friend, here is my X path of login button. What to do with now? In login button I don't want to pass any, it is not input field where I have to enter something, so I want to click that button. So just do click on dot and type C, just and see here click option is coming, just select that. Okay friend, let's show you manually. See, just click. See friend, the site openly successfully. Same code thing I have written here. Okay, what happened? First, this code will load the browser. After browser, it will load the URL of site. After site, I want to log in. Then let's show you again. See friend, what happens? First browser will load, then it pass the URL. After a while this screen will appear. After that Selenium will find the element locator of this input field, and this input field locator is this input field locator is, I want to show you, locator is user login. So I pass the user login here. And how the locator will find? By locator will find the locator by ID. Okay, and same thing, after he find, then what he will do, he pass your text admin. For that I have written the send key and pass the what you want. Same, my, if you have your name, you can, if your username is or your name or email ID, then you can pass here. Okay, same thing I did for password, but I did not took the ID, I took the name. You can take also ID, but for showing you locators, so I'm took the name. See, I print the name locator. Now what happened after searching this? It will search the name locator belongs to WPD. Sorry, PWD. Okay. In PWD is the input field, and you will type the admin or password, anything you have. Okay. Then what we do? It will check the locator of XPath. I took the XPath of here. His ID also, it is possible by this thing, also possible by ID, but I am showing to XPath because for more how it will work. So I am showing the locator how it work. Okay. Oh sorry. Okay. After clicking the site, will get login. Okay, these things are the performed manually. Now I'm going to skip the side by that. Now let's run this my code. See, browser loaded successfully. He'll pass the C. Selenium is too fast. Enter the C. Click. Selenium is too fast. So I'm going to keep some thread to show you. Okay, friend. It's too fast. Selenium is too fast. I'm waiting 2 seconds. 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, it will type the user ID. Then 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, it will enter password. After enter, it will 2 seconds. It will click login button. Okay. I put the thread. Okay, fine. It's too fast. Let's run again. First browser will load. Then URL pass. After 6 seconds, pass username is entered. See, password is also entered. Now, see, button is clicked. See, friend, the code is running. How this script is run? There are so many locators, name, XPath, so many CSS, so many. I'm shown only three locators, but in future I'm going to create some individually small video related to all different locators. I will cover all locators and show you. Okay, friends, that's for the today's. If you have any question or anything, you can ask me on comment. And if you liked my video, please like and share the videos and subscribe this channel for next coming videos and brings very soon. Thank you and bye.